Evan, you gonna do a beat down?
What do you think a Nightwing beatdown would be, anyways?
I don't know. Evan, will you show us a Nightwing beat down?
What's this? This is how I do it.
Oh, that's good. Joshua, your turn.
I'm gonna do a Batman one, okay?
Okay, a Batman one. I think you should do a Batman one. That's good. You got the pause in there. That's nice.
Playing Batman. We're playing Batman.
Oh, yeah?
My Robin and Dr. Sky is Batman.
Oh, cool. It's a mighty fine jump in there. So what do you guys think we should name Baby Peanut? What do you think, Evan?
Baby Peanut's name is Isaac.
Oh, yeah?
That's what I'm thinking right now.
That's what you're thinking too? I thought you wanted to name him Applesauce.
What about Trix Yogurt?
Trix Yogurt? That's a good one.
Trix. What about Tubler?
What?
Tubler.
You're silly. Hello?
Try me.
Alright, say bye.